Have you received Form 16? Employees everywhere start receiving their Form 16s during this time of the year. So what is Form 16? Form 16 is a TDS certificate. It contains details of TDS deducted and deposited on your behalf by your employer. Still confused? Let me introduce you to Yash. He's a programmer and this is his first job. Listening to all chatter around Form 16 leaves him curious and tad confused. Here's his colleague Neha, who's a content writer and recently joined the same company. Now their employer generates and shares Form 16. But how does the employer generate Form 16? So let's start from the beginning of the financial year. For starters, Yash and his colleagues declare the tax-saving investment they plan to make for the financial year, like tax-saving mutual funds, FDs and NPS, and payments like LIC premium, children tuition fee, and medical insurance. The employer uses this information to determine taxable income and deduct TDS accordingly. Now Yash suddenly remembered he had heard about CTC during his placement, but forgot what it was. So let's do a quick recap for him. CTC is the cost the company bears for Yash. It includes his basic salary, allowances like HRA and conveyance, perquisites like food coupons and mobile bills, and any other bonuses. After subtracting the EPF, professional tax and TDS from his salary, the amount employer deposits into Yash's bank account each month is his take-home salary. During December and January, Yash and Neha submit the proof of investments made to the employer for verification. The employer finds everything in order, so continues to deduct and deposit the TDS each month and files quarterly TDS return. The employer can in turn download the Form 16 from the government website commonly known as Traces. Since Neha switched jobs during the year, she will receive two Form 16s, one from her past employer and one from her current employer. The Form 16 has two parts. Part A is the TDS certificate and Part B includes the breakdown of salary, deductions and tax computation. Yash and Neha can upload their Form 16 on Quicko and file their income tax returns for free. We are Quicko, on a mission to simplify taxes for all.